What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. I think in this one we need to talk about Pikamoon. Give you a little bit of an update. People have been asking about this in the live stream. They said, hey, what's going on with this play? What's happening right now? We saw it push. Some people were like, I made a bunch of money, or I got into it at the time of release and I made a bunch of money from there. And they want to know what's happening with it and what's going to transpire as the weeks go on, the months go on, and all that stuff. Now, do I know exactly what they're going to do? No. Do I have some information maybe behind the scenes that tell me, maybe what they have planned and some different interesting pieces that are going to come, onto the table? Yeah, of course. So let's talk about some of these things. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. And if you guys want to check out all of the links for Pikamoon, those links will be in the description. Now, if you're not familiar with what it is, if you're new to this conversation, I've talked about it two other times. Two times before the official launch. One time when the pre-sale was open and not sold out, and then another time where it was sold out, just to give you an update on exactly where things are headed. And now we're looking at after the fact. Now we're looking at what the price has done since launch. And honestly, it's been pretty impressive. If we look at the price via CoinGecko, the price for Pikamoon is sitting at around 23% of a penny. It's up 36.5% on the day, and it's great to see that level of growth within this play. You are seeing about $2 million worth of volume, and you have what's stated $117 million fully diluted market cap. I don't know what the actual current market cap is with the current supply, just because they're not stating what that actually is on these tracking websites. The tracking websites seem to be kind of confused, especially with the pricing, because you have CoinMarketCap that shows like a $30,000 or $3,000 price or something like that it got to, and then you see a much lower price than where it is, looking like it's down 100%. That's not the case. There's so much more that leads into this and this hype that has seen. So we'll show you guys on BitGet exactly what did happen there. But in the last day, this is all we have as tracking for CoinGecko, which shows that it's up 35.5% over that time period of 24 hours. So if we look at the markets that it's available on, currently it's available on MEXC, it's available on BitGet, it's available on Uniswap version 2 on Ethereum, and it's equal trading volume. You're looking at 41%, 41.45% for MEXC, 37%, 37.65% for BitGet, and 20.9% for Uniswap. So it's pretty evenly split between all of these different places. But if you wanted to know what Pikamoon was, right, it's the fastest growing GameFi token in the industry. And as we look through what it offers, right, you have NFT play to earn, you have a Pikaverse, you have the rewards that you would get within Pika. And if you look at the gaming, right, the beta trailer for it, it's basically a fight type of a game, right? A battle focused game, to where it's kind of like a POW world or something like that, where you're implementing cryptocurrency now within that, where you would get different types of characters: fire, water, electric, rock, air, and earth. And honestly, this is something that's right up my alley. I'm a gamer. I love things like POW World. I love things like Pokemon or all of those other games, those battle-focused games. But being able to implement, cryptocurrency within it is a big deal. Now, also, Pika has partnered with multiple influencers, not really partnered, but had multiple influencers as a way of communicating their success and what they're going to do, which means that you have a way of communicating the hype overall. And I believe it's more than 25 influencers right now, meaning that you have even more of an impact on the market, showing that you could see a massive amount of success just based on that growth and the bullishness that comes with it, from the community that truly believes in seeing, FOMO that goes into it, and then certain exchanges that see that FOMO and then they invest into it. And then you also have a use case associated with it, which also increases the overall price. Honestly, it's something that's a no-brainer. Now, just to give you a little bit of kind of a teaser, there are exchanges that are coming, and I'm not going to say which ones, I'm not going to say what it is, but there are exchanges that are coming. Just a little bit of a little word that I got, a little bit of a little birdie told me that exchanges are coming, and having these two exchanges right now are big, huge, MEXC and BitGet, but also having more exchanges means more volume, means more traction, means more investors into the play overall. Now, if we also look at the holders, you have 4,645 holders. So it is not no scrub token or play. It's something that has a decent amount of holders, 22,000 transactions or transfers, and you're going to see those holders just continue to increase over this bullish market. Let's look at a better breakdown of exactly what the price did and why people have gained a lot from this, and why people have come to me and said, hey, thank you for this play. I don't suggest that anybody buys what I talk about on the video without researching what the project is and why they would believe in it. Because if you don't believe in it, you're not going to want to hold it. You're just going to want to sell it right at the first sign of success, which means you may have missed out on all of this success here, because it went from about 60 or 50 or 5% of a penny up to 50% of a penny, meaning that you saw a 10x return from this play from beginning to end up at this top level. Now, it did retrace with that larger increase over one day, being hundreds of percent, 1,000% if you wanted to be more specific. And then it did decrease down, but still up higher than where it did start. So understand that this did have a large impact price-wise, and that's why people were reaching out to me saying, look, I gained a lot with Pikamoon. As I invested in the beginning stages of things, it really picked up for me, and they're so happy, right? They took half their investment, they left half in there, and now they're sitting pretty with whatever they did have, right? They didn't give me any specifics on those numbers, but it's great to see that people are having that success. I love seeing success stories. But anyways, I wanted to just give you this update on exactly where Pikamoon is. I mean, their Twitter account is sitting at about 30K followers at the current moment, 30.7K followers. You have 12,000 followers on, Telegram, 12,000 members on Telegram, and they're just seeing so much success. So I'm so happy for what they have had, because anytime I talk about something that is in pre-sale, there always is that risk, right? There's pre-sales that don't really go the right way, and there's pre-sales that give people the level of return that they all wanted to see, and then also reset and retrace to a level to where it's comfortable to now pick up again and be up another 30% in the last 24 hours. So let me know what you're thinking about Pikamoon and where it has been. But this has been amazing to see that level of growth, and I wanted to put out another video to talk about what has happened, because so many people were asking me about it during live streams and during other videos and other comment sections. So if you want to know more about it and dive into the world of Pikamoon, feel free to check out the links in the description. But I appreciate all of you guys for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.